Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete GarageBand on Mac. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get started locating your GarageBand on your Mac OS. So as you can see, GarageBand is a program that's going to go ahead and help you enable to create music. It may be already come pre-installed on your Mac or you have downloaded it yourself, but what you want to do if you now want to delete it and uninstall it and you do not want to have it anymore on your Mac is do the following steps, and it's very easy to follow. Basically guys, to uninstall GarageBand, you want to go to your applications folder in Finder and then locate GarageBand. After that, you want to drag it to the trash. You can maybe just right click it and then click delete. It's going to do the same thing, or you can just click the launchpad in the dock and click and hold GarageBand and then click on X in the corner. This is going to go ahead and help you go ahead and start with deleting it. After that, you can click the Finder icon in the dock and choose to go to menu into the folder, and you can go ahead and follow the steps right here to go ahead and clear your cache and delete all the files. And after that, you have deleted all the files. After locating them, you can delete all the files, and after that, you'll be able to delete it completely from your Mac and you'll no longer have the application on your Mac. And basically, it's easy as that. Will take you a couple of minutes to find all the files, delete them, and it's easy to do so. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.